What is up, YouTube? Back for another quick video on the 24 Bronco Raptor. Today we're going to be installing a new rear dome light. As everybody knows, this thing is a piece of junk and you can't see anything in this vehicle. So with that being said, we ordered a new one of these. I know the Mabit ones are real common, but I saw this. I thought it looked kind of cool and was a little different. So I thought we would try it out. I got it off Amazon, and like always, I will drop the link below. So quick unboxing here. This is what we have. Looks kind of cool, a little bit different. Matches the inside nicely. And it's direct plug and play. Just plug this into the existing harness. We'll take this off. They provide a little alcohol prep pad there. And we'll plug it in and see how it is. So let's get this sucker installed.